Greetings. In today's global workplace, developing emotional intelligence, EQ, is more critical than ever. Emerging trends highlight innovative hacks that can significantly enhance EQ. One cutting edge approach is AI driven emotional analytics, enabling employees to assess and improve their emotional responses through real time feedback. Recent studies show a 35% increase in productivity among workers using these tools. Mindfulness apps like Headspace are gaining popularity, helping reduce stress by 30% and improve focus. Additionally, virtual reality VR training immerses employees in scenarios to build empathy and conflict resolution skills. For instance, a tech company that adopted VR training reported a 25% improvement in team collaboration. For actionable tips, consider practicing mindfulness daily using guided meditation apps. Engage in role playing exercises to simulate real life situations, enhancing empathy and understanding. Incorporate feedback from peers to continually improve your emotional responses. While digital wellness is trending in North America and Europe, VR training for EQ is on the rise in Asia, offering diverse approaches to emotional intelligence across regions. Expect further integration of AI and VR